What's up, people? It's a doozy. Get ready for some good times. How many moles of excess reactant remain when 60 milliliters of 1.0 molar hydrochloric acid reacts with 25 milliliters of 0.8 molar barium hydroxide? Oh my goodness, we're talking excess reactants here, which means I probably need a reaction to look at in order to better understand this problem. My two reactants are HCl and barium hydroxide. All right, as I look at this, classic acid-base neutralization double replacement. Gonna be forming some water and some barium chloride. All right, let's throw in some coefficients to balance. 2 chlorides, 2 chlorides. Got 2 plus 2, 4 hydrogen. Now I've got 4 hydrogen. And thank you very much, I've also balanced the oxygen. Whew. All right, so we've got a balanced chemical equation. Haven't even begun to answer this question. All right, let's start with hydrochloric acid. So we're going to use the molarity equation here, which is moles per liter of solution. Our molarity is 1.0 molar. Our volume in liters is 0.0600, which means that my number of moles, 1 times 0.0600, who needs a calculator? Not me. 0.0600 moles HCl. We're going to do the same thing. This time, though, I'm going to put my numbers in scientific notation. I have 8.0 times 10 to the negative 1 equals x over, let's see, this would be 0.0250 liters, so 2.5 times 10 to the minus 2 liters. And again, the reason why I do this is when I can't use my calculator on multiple choice, it's easier for me to work in scientific notation. So what's 8 times 2.5? Hopefully you can come up with 20 times 10, and then we add our exponents. Negative 1 plus negative 2 is negative 3. Convert that to correct scientific notation, we get 2.0 times 10 to the minus 2. Those are our moles of BaOH2. All right, we've done a lot so far for this one multiple choice question. Still not even there. We'll put this back into standard notation. This is 0.0200 moles of barium hydroxide. Okay, now let's think about our two reactants here. Got 0.0200 moles of this and 0.0600 moles of this. As we think about which of the two is limiting, if I had 0.0600 moles of HCl, I would need half that amount of barium hydroxide to react it all. I would need 0.03 moles, which I don't have. I only have 0.02 moles. So that tells me that barium hydroxide is my limiting reactant, and that HCl is going to be in excess. We want to know how much excess is going to be there. Okay, so I've got 0.0200 moles of barium hydroxide. I'm going to convert moles of barium hydroxide to moles of HCl. That relationship is 2 to 1. In other words, if I react 0.02 moles of barium hydroxide, I'm going to need 0.04 moles of HCl to react it all. And I have 0.06 moles. So if I have 0.06 moles and I only need to use 0.04, 0.02 moles is what's going to be left over.